Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to look at all the major improvements and fixes of Beas Manufacturing 2026.06. In this version we concentrated further on the development and implementation of our new web client. We are delivering a long list of new views in the area of work orders, resources, quality control and many more. Let's see all these in detail. In the 2026.06 release, we are delivering the list and detail view for material groups. The list view follows the SAP Fiori list report pattern. It is the central place to browse, search, filter, and manage your material groups. From here you can also create new groups, edit, duplicate, and delete existing ones. The QC orders screen is a read-only list view of all existing QC orders. The header area contains the search field where you can insert a QC order number or item code to find. The QC samples view lists the open samples of all quality control orders, with one row per QC measurement. The list is read-only and can be searched and filtered in the header area with multiple values ranging from QC order number to inspection plan, and various other in the filter selector like blockage reason, release or modification date. QC blockage reasons let you maintain the catalog of reasons used to block QC orders, samples and measurements during quality control. In this new view you can create, duplicate or delete blockage reasons. The work orders list is now available in the Beas web client. Use the filters in the header area. Search by customer order, work order ID, priority and many more. You can add new work orders in the top bar control section by pressing the plus icon. The visibility of the columns can be configured in the settings. Open a work order from the work orders list to access the detail view. The view has several sections ranging from general information to customer details, dates, production details and work order positions. From the work order positions section, it is also possible to open individual positions. The work order positions, read-only view lists all positions of the searched work order. The header area contains search by item code, item name or barcode, and you can filter the results to open or closed work orders, and can narrow down the list to a specific work order. Open a work order position for viewing its information either from the work order positions list view or indirectly from a work order. The view consists of extensive information arranged into tabs from general data to BOM and operation details, references and many more. You can easily create a new work order by pressing the plus icon in the top bar control area in the work orders list view. A dialog box opens that requires the input of 3 values: item, quantity and delivery date. Click Create, and the new work order will be added to the list. The production times view provides a read-only list of all manufacturing time information with start and end times, duration, type and workplace information, narrowed down to personnel and document numbers. The columns of the list can be edited in the settings, and header filters can also be expanded from the Adapt Filters function in the top control bar. The production times detail view is a read-only form of the details of a single manufacturing time entry with time, quantity, cost, project and other useful pieces of information. The active work order times view lists active work orders with all the relevant information from personnel to item code and quantities, duration and starting time. The list can be filtered according to any column in the header area, and you can make a search by personnel ID name or resource. In the resources view you can search for a resource by code or description, and use a selection of filters of your choice to narrow down the list of hits. Double-clicking on a line opens the Resource Master Data Detail view for that resource. Create a new resource by pressing the plus icon in the top control bar. The Resource Master Data Detail view features extensive information arranged in tabs, ranging from general information to scheduling and cost details, attachments, interruption information and more. Open a resource from the list and click Edit in the top right corner. Once finished with the modifications, click Save in the bottom right corner of the screen. The resource group's read-only list can now also be accessed in the Beas web client. Filter the list by a range of filters in the header area. Sort and export the results, and double-click a resource group to access its information. Resource Group's master data can also be accessed in a new read-only view. Similarly to the Resource Detail view, you can find extensive information arranged in tabs, ranging from general information to scheduling and cost details, attachments, interruption information, and more. Find resource types based on searching by code or description, modification date, and other custom selected filters. Add new types by pressing the plus icon in the top control bar. The Resource Types detail page is where you view, create, and edit a single resource category. A type is deliberately simple, just a code and a description, and is referenced by resources to classify them. We have expanded the functionality of the read-only BOM list of our previous version, and now you can also create, review, edit, and maintain the materials that make up an item directly from the Beas web client. Just press the plus icon in the toolbar to open the detail view and create a new bill of materials. Opening a position shows its detail form, where a single material line is created or edited. The fields are organized into general information with the quantities and extra details groups, extended, area of validity, variance and other, and custom fields. Now you can create, review, and maintain the operations that produce an item directly from the Beas web client. Opened from inside an item, the routing lists every operation of that item, the ordered work steps, each with its resource and times, and lets the user open any operation to see and edit its full detail. Opening an operation shows its detail form, where a single operation can be created or edited. The fields are organized into a large number of tabs ranging from general information, with the times and production control groups, plus an external operation group of supplier and pricing fields for subcontracted operation types, extended data, tools and utilities, resources and other clusters. The Sales Order to Work Order view brings the desktop functionality into the Beas web client. Use and customize the header filters to narrow down the set of customer orders and view the results in two tables: Order Related and Sales Order. The tables can display both open and closed work orders. In the new version, we offer the standard Beas item structure view in the web client. The view shows everything an item is made of in a single tree: its versions, the materials in its bill of materials, its routing operations, and the tools, utilities, parallel and alternative resources used in each operation, so the user can see how an item is structured without opening the bill of materials and routing forms one by one. Now the new web inventory history can be opened from the desktop solution also. Add the URL of the web solution in the System Settings of the Configuration Wizard. The Beas web client provides UDF configuration support to the available views. In this screen, simply select a view, add your own UDFs which you can easily switch on and off with the sliders on the right at any time. Apart from the web client development and bug fixing, the June release contains other improvements. Now, when you close the MRP scenario, Beas checks if the calendar exists until the end of the calculation period. If not, it gives you the opportunity to open the calendar and create the missing data. Additionally, if you start the MRP calculation from the MRP Wizard overview, and the calculation is set to be done in foreground, the calendar check will be done. The automatic issue process during time receipt process has been improved to reduce the number of validations executed by the system. Now, instead of executing a query line by line to do several validations, the system performs an initial query to load the data for all lines. In this way now the process is significantly faster, mainly in case of many rows. This concludes the introduction of the major improvements and fixes of Beas Manufacturing 2026.06. Our next release is planned for the end of September 2026. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much and please stay tuned for our upcoming videos.